show. Bubbles is digging into Johnarchy's family tree. I'm hoping he's related to a gloopy alien space slug.
Next on Don't You Know Who I Am, we discover the past of Johnarchy and the Monarchy star, Johnarchy.
Books. Awesome.
Come closer as the pop memorabilia collector and Supernova Jones fan reads this old book
How do I scroll?
as a distraction while I pluck out some of his hair. And the family Triotron says, oh my, a 100% DNA match.
Wait, 100%? Shh, I want to know who it is. Come on, space slug.
I can exclusively reveal, Johnarchy, you are unquestionably big brother of Nova Jones. Oh, and I guess McLaren too.